3 minutes. That's all the time I've got to create a painting today. Will it be a masterpiece or a complete mess? Let's find out. Today we're painting a happy little painting. The pressure is on. Can I beat the clock? Today's challenge is to paint something in just 3 minutes. Ready, set, go. Here we go. No time to overthink. I'm going for big shapes, motion, and energy. The key here is to stay loose. With only 3 minutes, I'm focusing on making impact with just a few strokes. Big, bold movements is the way to go when you're racing against the clock. You've got to move fast, but with purpose. Watch how I'm blending colors on the fly, using the white to add contrast and make the composition pop. By now, I'm sure you can realize I'm painting a pot. I'm going to add in some flowers, quick, bold paintings. Speed painting is about trusting your instincts. Notice how I'm using a larger brush to cover more ground quickly instead of working on small details. I'm focusing on the overall composition. When you're painting in a rush, it's helpful to simplify your palette and focus on contrasting colors. I've used a bold blue for the bottom of the pot and highlighting key areas. At this point, I'm adding quick details and pulling the piece together. The challenge isn't to create a fully polished painting, but to express an idea with minimal time. Speed painting teaches you to let go of perfection. The brushstrokes don't have to be perfect, they just have to feel right. Now going in for the flowers. This is intense. Just big, bold movements and splashing in the color. Sometimes we put so much pressure on ourselves to create perfect art, but there's something freeing about just going for it. In just 3 minutes, I've captured the essence of what I wanted to express: energy and movement. It's a little messy, but it's real. Think you can beat the clock? Try this challenge for yourself. Set a timer for 3 minutes and see what you can create. Let's do that again. Share your results with me using 30 days of painting, and let's see what you come up with. And if you're enjoying these daily challenges, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and catch the next one. Tomorrow's challenge will push us even further. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.